This one is the Yogan Bridge. 400 years old bridge. I think it's already renovated kasi hindi no ganun katanda yung materials niya. So okay, what is the highlights?
Fangshan Bridge.
Fangshan Bridge.
Fangshan Bridge.
Yeah, okay. Max, you're already 8 years old.
No, I'm 10. I know.
You're 10.
I wanted it.
Don't worry, say dede hanggang 10 years old. Binabala-balasa lang yung hopya, di ba? The highlights guys, nasa likod natin yung Fangshan Bridge. Ayan oh. Fangshan Bridge. Ako, dito siya nagtatapon ng basura eh. Okay na sana eh, tourist spot, tinatapunan na ng basura nila. This is the highlights.
Yeah.
They're throwing a trash in the river.
Yeah.
Gutom na mga bibi. Uy, didi. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Testing. Bebe.
It's sour.
It's yogurt. It's not a milk. Can I try your didi?
Yes. Mom.
Tastes good. So many food here. Yeah, spicy.
Yeah, I seen that in Chinese videos.
Oh, this is garlic. Look, the garlic changed color with the vinegar. There's so many food here. Wow. This one look delicious, oh.
So many.
Ooh. You can try it if you want.
That's okay.
Yay! Welcome to 600 years old bridge,
AKA
Fangshan Bridge. And my videographer for today is Watermix. So, lagi ko nakakita ng mga leon na statue. But this statue is Happy Lion. Even this one, oh. That's why they call it a happy bridge. Do not always see mangot. Tingnan niyo yung view. Oh. Yung nasa painting kanina, it's a black and white. Makikita niyo rito yung kulay ng mga buildings sila is only black and white. Alfred Watermax in Watertown. Lipat na ulit tayo. Alis na tayo dito sa tinatawag nating 600-year-old bridge. Ganda ng lugar nila. Malamig. Yung bridge sila hindi nakakadapa. Sobrang 1 inch lang yung tatapakan mo. Kahit mapatapa ka ng ganun, okay lang. Hindi ka madudulas eh. Okay, kakain na kami ng aming lunch. Mayroong chicken, organic chicken, a bottle of beer. Ordered by my wife. Yung asawa ko na yan. Gusto akong lasingin. Pag may alak, may balak.
Allah.
Don't put your trash anywhere. This is trash can. Please take it out. Thank you. That's for a beer.
No.
Chill.
You can put it out. You can put it out.
No. He's just helping me. You know, my son is very helpful, you know.
Dear God, thank you for giving us this food, and I pray for our safety today.
Amen. You just break the rice. When you are eating on this kind of table, you have to be considerate. Before you turn this, you have to check if there's someone's getting the food, okay? Get it?